How to fix Reddit no sound. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Reddit no sound. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into the Reddit app on my phone. If you have seen a video and you're trying to get sound for that specific video and it's not working, then I want you to try this trick. Firstly, I'm just going to find a random video to demonstrate. I see this video right here, and as you can see in the bottom corner, there's a sound icon. Try to click here and see if the sound turns on. If it does turn on, great, then it should work. But if it does not turn on, keep watching because I will show you how to fix this. So firstly, what you can do is to close the Reddit app and then go back into the app and try again, because sometimes this might actually be some kind of a strange bug in the app that I have noticed. So after you have closed Reddit and then opened it again, then go back to that specific video and once again check if you can click on the sound. If this still does not solve your issue, then keep watching because I got another way that you can potentially solve this problem. What you can do is to head into App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play if you have an Android phone, and then search for Reddit and then see if you can find any latest updates in here. And if you do, then update the app because that can also solve this bug for you. After you have updated your Reddit app, then once again head into the app and check once again if the sound is working for the video now. If it's not working after you have tried all of this, then it's most likely that the video just simply does not have any sound. Or I'm not sure if this is a thing, but maybe Reddit themselves has actually blocked the sound on the video. So this is how to fix Reddit no sound. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.